Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. And in this video, friends, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can send text messages and email on any iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure, friends, to put your likes under the video. And also please write your comments. And let's get down to the topic with you. First of all, friends, you will need to open the messaging app and go to the conversation that you need, where there are text messages that you would like to email. Next, tap on such text messages and hold. You will get a small menu like this near them. Select the More or the Advanced option. And as you can see, such a text message will be checked. You can check several of these messages at once if you have a lot of them. The next thing you do is you click on the Send button at the bottom. And then you'll just need to enter at the top just the email that you'd like to send the message to. This can be your email or the email of the person you need to send this to. Then the only thing you have to do is on the top right-click Send. Or you can click on this arrow right here when you name the person. So the email will be sent to your recipient, but you'll be able to see it sent when you go to email after a while, because often emails that are sent via email don't get pulled up right away, but let's say half a minute to a minute later you'll be able to see that email sent. This is how, friends, you can easily send text messages via email on iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to put your likes. See you soon.